Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress locally on Windows system. So this is Microsoft Windows 10. If you have 7, 8 or 8.1, you should have no issue installing WordPress locally on Windows system. So this is WordPress website, but we need all the packages. So if you go to get WordPress, you will come to know that you need a server. So you see the installation, and this is a requirement. So you need the PHP, the latest version is good, MySQL, Apache or Nginx server. So you can go ahead and install one by one, but there are so many packages freely available on the internet. So we will go ahead and use one of those packages which is going to install PHP, MySQL, and the server Apache or Nginx. So the easiest one is basically the Bitnami, which installs everything required plus WordPress as well on the system. So just one click, download and installation, and you are all set locally on Windows, Mac and Linux as well. So simply go ahead and launch your browser, go to bitnami.com, and then you click on applications, and then simply scroll down. You can go ahead and look for WordPress, like you just type in search, but WordPress is on the very top. This means that it is the most downloaded application on Bitnami, so this is recommended here. So simply go ahead and click on it, the WordPress thing here, and then you will be here on this WordPress download page, and it was just updated 2 days ago. So this means they keep updating whenever there is a new version of WordPress or any changes in the softwares and packages that are required to run WordPress, like PHP, MySQL, Apache or Nginx. So you can see you've got so many options. You can go ahead and install it on the cloud using Bitnami, on containers like Docker and Kubernetes, and obviously on the computer. So Windows, Mac, Linux, or if you are using virtual machines like VMware, VirtualBox, and so on. So we will go ahead and click on this Win, Mac, and Linux, and please scroll down. You can see you've got 3 options now. Download for Windows 64-bit. You need to have 64-bit system. You can simply go ahead and check it by just pressing the Windows key and pause and break button, which is on the right top of the keyboard. Here you can see I've got 64-bit operating system based on 64-bit processor. So I'll go ahead and close it and quickly go ahead and download this Bitnami package for Windows 64-bit. Simply go ahead and sign in if you wish to, or simply click on or sign in with an existing account, or no thanks, just take me to the download page, and this starts the download for your system. Okay, so simply go ahead and save it. It's going to take some time because it's big, huge file. So once it's downloaded, I will be right back. Alrighty, so thank you for your patience. You can see the Bitnami WordPress application has been downloaded. So I'll go ahead and run it. So I saved it on this desktop. I'll go ahead and open it and run as administrator. I'm going to select English, say next, okay. So it's installing WordPress 5.2.2. If you wish, you can change it and say next. Bitnami stack admin user creation, so I can simply say real name, whatever it is. So let's say tube email address, login, admin. Next, login and password must not be the same. Okay, so I'm going to say tubement. That's going to be my login username. Apache server, so you can see it's installing Apache, and I'm going to say next. SSL port, that's going to be 444. MySQL server port, perfectly fine. And this is the name of the blog. So do you want to configure mail support? Not yet. Launch WordPress, no, sorry. Then hit next. This is going to install everything: PHP, MySQL, PHP MyAdmin, and then WordPress as well. Obviously the Apache server. So this may take again some time. Once it's installed, I'll be right back. Alrighty, thank you for your patience. So the packages, the softwares have been installed, and this is just trying to initialize the MySQL. So you can see it here as well. It says configuring database. Let me quickly resize this so you can see both of these. So it says configuring database, and here you see it's trying to launch the database with the help of command prompt. Okay, so database has been configured. It's just trying to shut down the database MySQL, and then hopefully it will go ahead and launch the server. Now you can see it's trying to launch the Apache HTTP server, so simply say allow access, and here it's saying creating database. This may take a minute. So basically you don't have to do anything if you're installing WordPress locally on your system using Bitnami. You basically just click few buttons and it sets up all the environment required for WordPress locally on your system, like Microsoft Windows system, Mac OS, and on Linux as well. So here we are creating database. This may take a minute. You see it's taking a minute. So okay, creating uninstaller. So this is at the very final stage. There's nothing else to be done, I guess, and we are done. You can see. Okay, so finally it says launch Bitnami WordPress stack. Simply say finish. This will open your default web browser. On my system it is basically the Microsoft Edge Insider, and this is basically on localhost 81. So you simply go to localhost colon 81, and you should be on the same page. Okay, then you say access WordPress. You can access PHP admin as well. I'll go ahead and okay, so it's very simple. This is the WordPress installation, and if I want to go to WordPress admin dashboard area, so I will have to say tubement, and then admin was the password. I should be in. So you have to remember that username and password and save it. Okay, so this is how. Okay, so there's some issue here. Alright, so I'm in the PHP admin. So what I did basically, I went ahead and checked how I can access basically PHP admin on the documentation page. So it's very simple. All you have to do is type in the root as a username and password for the WordPress password. So that was admin, the same password as the application password. Okay, and this is the URL. Okay, you can check the URL here as well. So localhost :/phpMyAdmin, and this is the database for WordPress. So this is how you basically install WordPress locally on your system with less configuration, and it doesn't take a long time. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please leave your comment below and I will promptly try to answer it. Thank you so much. Good luck. Bye for now.